So brethren, if we ask God for His daily provisions, may it not be simply to get what we need, but for us to recognize that it is God Himself that we need. Di ba? Talaga bang pagkain ang kailangan mo? O ang Panginoon? Hindi po ba? Pag tayo wala na sa tent na ito, sa ating temporary na dwelling place na ito, ating mga katawan, food will not matter to us anymore. But God will. Because God is really what matters. Hindi man talaga food eh. It's Him who provides us with food, is whom we need. And when we receive those blessings from the Lord, let it never be for the satisfaction in God's blessings, but a satisfaction in God Himself, who is the giver of good things. Let our asking and receiving only be for the glory of God.